ABC News legal contributor Brian Buckmeyer for more on this. Brian, the defense is asking for a speedy trial. Is there an advantage there?
Hi, Dan. Yes, there is an advantage. It's about making this case move on as quickly as possible, and that's what she's asking for. The problem is the devil's in the details. The Sixth Amendment of the United States Constitution is very similar to Article 20, Section 1 of the Bahamas Constitution that talks about impartial jury and speedy. But for the United States, where a speedy trial may be 45, 90 days, maybe 6 months, in the Bahamas, they say a speedy trial is closer to 3 years. So she might be pushing this case, but it might be a lot slower than she thinks.
How strong is the evidence so far against her, and how strong is her defense?
Yeah, that's part of the difficulty here. Without this voluntary indictment that they're supposed to hand over, which gives a lot of the disclosures or information about the case, it's hard to tell. But what we know so far, the little that we know, the way that she was arrested, the breadcrumbs from the text messages with the lover that she had and the hitman that she hired and the allegations that she admitted to sending text messages saying kill him, that seems pretty damning. It's going to take some explanation to say this was not a criminal offense. And in the Bahamas, they don't have to be unanimous in the jury like they have to be in the United States. So even more difficult to finding her not guilty in her eyes.
Brian, what are you watching for next in this case?
When is the prosecution going to move forward? When are we going to get more information? When is the defense going to get information? Because we know when the defense gets information, they start to mount their defense. Then we start hearing, okay, maybe these text messages were taken out of context. Maybe there's more to hear here. Right now, I'm looking for when the prosecutor gets their ducks in a row and gets this indictment in, and what the defense is going to say about their case.
All right, Brian Buckmeyer, always great to have you, Brian. Thank you.
My pleasure.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.